push the power button to operate the boiler. The blower operates and the gas valve opens, sending a mixture of gas and air which enters the burner. At this time, the entered mixed gas and air are ignited with the spark ignition system. Heat is exchanged rapidly through the highly efficient heat exchanger, transferring energy quickly to heat the system return water. When there is call for heat, the primary central heating circulation pump operates. The three-way diverting valve directs the heated hot water supply to the radiator or baseboard to heat the house rapidly. Once this heated water passes through the radiator or baseboard, the energy is released into the room and the cooled water is circulated back to be reheated inside the boiler. When the consumer uses domestic hot water during central heating mode, central heating is temporarily stopped by the movement of three-way valve to divert the heated water to circulate back through the internal storage tank, provided priority and large amounts of domestic hot water production. When the consumer uses domestic hot water, direct city water enters into the domestic hot water heat exchanger, which is detected by the flow sensor. Domestic water is heated inside the highly efficient heat exchanger located inside the internal storage tank, as heated water passes through the tank, producing large amounts of domestic hot water.